Now, how to find the sum of n terms of an AP? So there is a theorem. So the theorem is that the sum of n terms of an AP in which first term is a common difference is D and last term is L is given by Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus 1 a plus L, right? And Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So write down the sum of n terms of an AP in which first term is a, difference is D and the last term is L, can be given by Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L or Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Right? So here we have L term, right? We don't have D here, and here we have D term, right? And we don't have L here, right? So both formula can be used, right? According to whatever given in the question. Now let's see this formula, this theorem. That how do we get this formula, right? So consider an AP having n terms. Okay, so there are n terms in which first term is a common difference D and last term is L, right? Now, if this is so, then we can say L can be equal to a plus n minus 1D, right? Okay, equation number 1, where because L is the last term, right? Or you can say the nth term, so L is equal to nth term, right? Okay, now we can also write the AP as, we can also write AP as, how we can write AP? If first term is A and the common difference is D, the first term is A, then the second term will be A plus D, keep on adding A plus 2D, and similarly L, if the last term is L, then second last term will be L minus 2D, and third last is L minus 2D, second last L minus D, and last is L. Getting that? Okay. So we can write AP in terms of A, D, and L like this, right? Now, let Sn, everybody please understand first. After that, you can note it down. It is also given in your book. Let Sn be the sum of the first n terms of this AP, right? Then how we can write this Sn? Sn will be equal to, now add them, A plus D plus, so we are adding the term A plus 2D and so on, keep on adding, plus L minus 2D, third last term, plus L minus D, second last term, plus L last term, right? So we will simply add to get the sum of the first n terms, right? The total n terms, right? And that is Sn, right? Now writing the above series, in the reverse order. Write down in the reverse order. What we get? Again Sn, because sum will remain same. And now we can write it as in the reverse order, L plus L minus D plus L minus 2D plus and so on, plus A plus 2D plus A plus D plus A, right? Okay. So this is your second equation. This is your third equation, right? Now adding the corresponding terms of equation number 2 and 3. We are adding these two equations, adding 2 and 3. What we get? Now Sn plus Sn. On the left hand side, we will get 2Sn. Right? Now here, this side, what we will get? If you add them, you will get A plus L plus A plus L plus A plus L plus n times, right? So when you add them, you will get A plus L, A plus L, A plus L up to n times, right? So this can be equal to n A plus L. Getting that? Okay. And therefore we can say that Sn will be equal to n by 2 A plus L, right? So in this way, we have got this form of the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus L, right? Now, is not done. Now, Sn is equals to n by 2, okay? By using the first equation, just look at it. What is L? L is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the first equation, right? So using equation number 1, right? We can write down A plus, now L, value of L we are writing here, A plus n minus 1 into D. This we have written from using equation number 1, where L is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Getting it? Okay. Now, solve it further. So Sn will be equal to n by 2. A will become 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So what we have done? We have removed the term L now, right? And instead of L, we are writing A plus n minus 1D, right? And that's how our whole equation is in the terms of A and D, right? Okay. So these are the two formulas of Sn, right? In which we can use A and D for this formula. So if A and D is given to you, you can use this formula, right? Okay. And if A and L is given to you, then you can use this formula. Okay. So hence we have proved this. Now you can read. So now on the basis of this formula, that sum of the n terms of an AP, right, we can find out the questions, right? As you can see, question number 25 here. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the AP, which is 5, 8, 11, 14, right? So if you are finding the terms, like keep on finding 24 terms and then you are adding those terms to find the sum, it is a time-taking process, right? So instead of doing that, we can directly use the formula to find the sum of n terms, right? Okay. So very first we will write what are the A, D and L, okay, and N. So here A is 5, the first term is 5. D, the common difference is 8 minus 5, which is 3, okay, and N, because we have to find the sum of first 24 terms. So N is 24, right? L is not given here. So which formula we will use? Because L is not given, so we will use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. There is no L term into this, right? Okay, so we will use this formula. Right, so write down Sn, this is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Every time whenever you are solving the question, write down the formula. This is very, very important. If you're writing the formula, right, and your steps are correct, right, and if you are getting the wrong answer, even then you will get the mark because you are writing the formula, right? So now S24, the value of n is 24, so the S24 means sum of first 24 terms, right? Okay, and 24 by 2, 2 into A is 5 plus n 24 minus 1 into D is 3, right? Now we will solve this. 12, this is 10 plus 24 minus 1, 23 into 3, 69, right? Plus 24 is 12 into 10 plus 16, 9. That is 12 into 79, right? So sum of first 24 terms is 942, right? So now without knowing the numbers, means the terms within the AP, without adding them, you are finding the sum of 24 terms using the formula. Is that clear? And this is how we can save the time by using it. Okay, so hence the sum of first 24 terms of the given AP is 940. This is your answer. Understood how to use it? Please note down.